Hey there, welcome to the Carolina Mingle Quit Class. I am so excited to start this quilt and guide you through making the quilt top. Alright, this is a bold star pattern. It was inspired by Lone Star quilts, but me being a little bit lazy and not wanting to cut all those diamond shapes. That's where the quilt comes from. It measures 66 inches square, and it is geared for intermediate quilters. In this class, you're going to learn about foundation piecing, not foundation paper piecing. So if you're familiar with FPP, this is not that. This is a lot simpler technique. And it involves a very, very old skill where you take a layer of fabric that is your foundation, so fabric on top of it, and then you cut it all away using that foundation. So think of the foundation as a template. And in Carolina Mingle, you're using half of it as a template and the other half as part of your quilt. We're also going to be exploring multiple ways of making half square triangles, so 3 different sizes, and all of them that you can't get done with just your small ruler. So I'm going to walk you through a basic half square triangle, a larger half square triangle, and then a giant half square triangle, and we're going to learn 3 different ways of trimming those up and making them accurate. Alright, so about the quilt. So here is a look at Carolina Mingle Quilt. Your giant star, I feel like those star points are so striking, and this is one of the shapes that you can achieve with that foundation piecing. That foundation piecing really opens up doors for designs for shapes that you wouldn't necessarily be able to accomplish, or at least not easily, when using basic piecing. By the end of this course, you're going to have a finished quilt top and a lot of new skills. So let's talk a little bit about the class. This is a self-paced class, and there's no special times to be at a certain place. You don't have to do any of that. You can come to this class on your own schedule at your own pace, and it's not going anywhere. So if you're a super fast quilter, you know that this class works for you. If you take over a year to make a quilt, this class will work for you then too. There is no cutoff date or deadline or anything like that. Right. If you are interested in taking the Carolina Mingle Quit Class, there's a link to it and more details right below this video.